Juggling emails, calls, texts, and video meetings across different platforms can leave your brain feeling like a scrambled egg. But what if there was a way to streamline your communication and keep everything centralized within your favorite browser? That's where RingCentral for Google Chrome comes in. This handy extension integrates seamlessly with your existing Google Workspace, letting you make calls, send messages, and manage meetings directly from Chrome. No more app overload, just a smooth and efficient communication experience. Intrigued? If you're a RingCentral user who spends a lot of time in Chrome, this video is for you. We'll walk you through the installation process step by step, so you can be up and running in no time. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. You'll need a RingCentral account and a Google account to use this extension. If you haven't set those up yet, don't worry. The sign-up process for both platforms is quick and easy. Alright, with that housekeeping out of the way, let's get started. There are two main ways to install the RingCentral for Google Chrome extension. First, you can head straight to the Chrome Web Store. Just open Chrome and type Chrome Web Store in the address bar. Hit enter, and you'll be whisked away to a treasure trove of extensions for customizing your browsing experience. Once you're in the web store, things get even easier. In the search bar at the top of the page, type RingCentral for Google. The extension should pop right up. Look for the icon with a blue phone and white cloud. That's the one you want. Now here comes the exciting part. Click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation window will appear, asking you to authorize the extension. Don't be shy. Hit Add Extension and watch the magic happen. Chrome will download and install the RingCentral extension in a flash. But wait, there's more. The second way to install the extension is through the RingCentral app itself. If you already have the RingCentral app downloaded, open it up and navigate to the Settings section. Look for the Integrations tab and then Google Chrome extension. With a simple click, you can initiate the installation process directly from within RingCentral. Now that you've got the extension installed, it's time to log in. Look for the new RingCentral icon in your Chrome toolbar. It might be hiding amongst your other extensions. Click on it and a login window will appear. Enter your RingCentral credentials and you're golden. The RingCentral for Google Chrome extension is now up and running. But hold on, there's even more functionality to explore. One of the coolest features is the ability to make calls directly from Chrome. See a phone number on a website? No need to copy and paste into your phone. Just hover over the number with your mouse, and a little phone icon will appear. Click that icon, and the extension will initiate a call through RingCentral. It's that simple. The extension also lets you manage your messages, voicemails, and faxes, all within the Chrome interface. No more hunting through separate apps. You have everything you need right at your fingertips. And for those of you who love Google Calendar, the RingCentral extension adds another layer of convenience. You can now schedule and join RingCentral video meetings directly from your calendar events. No more toggling between apps to get your meetings started. So, there you have it. Installing and using the RingCentral for Google Chrome extension is a breeze. It's a fantastic way to streamline your communication workflow and boost your productivity. With everything centralized within Chrome, you can focus on what matters most, connecting with colleagues, clients, and anyone else on your list. Remember, ditch the app overload and embrace a more efficient way to communicate. Give RingCentral for Google Chrome a try today. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.